This is the kitchen with standard cabinets. It has a lot of spaces that you can store your kitchenwares. It also comes with a double sink. One thing that I loved about this kitchen is the window is quite big, and as you can see, it's letting in the light. So moving on, this is the sitting area. It's quite spacious, as you can see, and you can see it has some good lighting. It has big windows, and then also it has a door which is facing this side, where you can see the other upcoming buildings that are in that area. That is the view when you're looking outside that space. And here we also have very spacious laundry place and somewhere you can also hang your clothes, so it's quite spacious and really good. And then it has this corridor where you head into the bedrooms. One more thing which is very unique with this house has a 2-bedroom with a private bathroom and washroom, and also a sanitary place where you can brush your teeth and wash your hands, apply your makeup, or just do the normal general cleaning. It also have lots of mirror like this one here. Hand wash basin, which is very unique because each room has its own compartment for that, and also a bathroom and a toilet. The bathroom and the toilet are fully tiled, and you can see they are very well finished. Moving on, this is one of the bedroom. As you can see, they are also very spacious with a lot of light and a lot of storage space for your wardrobe where you can hang your clothes. The windows once again are very well ventilated and they're getting the light in comfortably. The wardrobes also have a place where you can place your shoes and organize how you like it. I think the wardrobes are pretty decent for somebody who doesn't have a lot of things to store. And another thing that I loved is that the wardrobe also has the mirror, so it's also easy for you to dress up when you're here and you're good to go. More storage area in the bedroom with these drawers where you can keep the folded stuff nicely. I think they have done a pretty good job with the wardrobes, and the finishing is perfect here. The lighting on most of the walls is like I have shown you, so it's pretty decent compared to most houses I've had to look at. The doors are wooden paneled and they look classy by themselves. So this is the view when you are on this side of the road. You can see Thika Road and Muthaiga roundabout. For 38,000 Kenya shillings, I think the house is pretty decent comparing all the facilities that they are offering, the backup generator and a borehole. They also have security and lifts which are also servicing the two the block of these houses. So it's pretty decent, I think. I hope you loved this video, and yeah, you got an idea of what houses look like, because I have been able to see more than one, and they pretty much range the same pricing, and they look like these. Some are more spacious than others, and yeah, that's how they look.